Ndewo keke meta. Aha m bụ Ijeoma Kubwe, onye na-ewetara unu nkuzi Igbo. Okay? So what I have to say today is I'm talking to you, okay, if you've made up your mind to speak Igbo, right? So if you want to learn Igbo so that you can speak it with your family, with your partner, with your children, okay, with your friends, okay? So if you've decided to learn how to speak Igbo, this video is for you, okay? And if you haven't made any headway, or if you haven't made as much headway as you planned, then this video is for you. And I want to give you 3 reasons why you have not gotten where you thought you would be by now, okay? So, I'll just saying the same thing in Igbo. Ihe kpatara na isubeghị Igbo otu isi chọọ. Ihe kpatara na isubeghị Igbo otu isi chọọ. Nke mbụ, the first one is procrastination. Procrastination. I will. On a maybe here, I will do this. It's better to say I am speaking it, I am learning it, and just saying that reinforces it in your brain, and you actually start learning it and practicing it. Okay, so Mnamu Igbo, I am learning Igbo. Mnasu Igbo, I am speaking Igbo. Okay, that's what I want you to be saying from today. Mnasu Igbo, I am speaking Igbo. Okay, Mnasu Igbo. Okay, so not just I will learn, I will speak. When? Mbeole. Okay, so let's stop the procrastination, which is the #1 problem. Just start today. Okay, all right. Already I have told you already I have told you the #1 reason, which is procrastination. So, and how to solve it is just to start now. I've already told you the first sentence. If you didn't know any Igbo to speak before, Mnasu Igbo means I am speaking Igbo. Let's move on to nke abụọ, #2 reason. Nke abụọ, the second reason why you are not hitting your goal, so the milestones you think you'll be hitting by now when you're speaking Igbo, is because you haven't planned properly. Okay, you haven't planned it. I mean, learning how to speak Igbo is like any other plan. It's like any other goal you've made for yourself. Maybe a goal you've made in your business, or you've made in your studies, or a goal you've made, sort of a family goal. Okay, so you have to take it like that. You have to actually schedule a time in your diary when you're going to learn it. Otherwise, it will not happen. Okay, so you have to plan. Lack of planning is #2. Plan. Okay, sit down and write. I'll give you an example. So you can sit down, get a paper, and write the topics you want to learn. Okay, starting with the one that is topmost in your heart, your favorite topic, or a topic, something that you use every day. Example, maybe eating, or talking about sleep, or something. And anything you know that you use every day, you can start with that topic. So you can start with eating, sleeping. Just list topics. Even if you just list 10 topics, what I'll ask you to do is just give each topic at least 1 month. Okay, that's even little. Let's give it at least 1 month to learn the basics around that topic. And if you get 10 topics, what does that give you? That's 10 months. Okay, that's approximately 1 year. So you already have your plan for what we're going to do in the next 1 year. You have these 10 topics, 1 each month. And then if you get that topic, you break it down again into 4. Okay, 4 aspects, 1 per week. Okay, so that in 4 weeks, each week you have something to learn. Okay, if you see my previous videos, I've given an example before. Let's start with eating again. You can say in the first week, I'll learn names of food. Okay, second week, I'll learn the verbs, how to speak about food. Okay, so examples like that. So by the time that 1 month is gone, you would have finished that topic. Okay, so that was the second reason why you have not reached where you want to reach in your speaking, because you have not planned properly. Okay, take it as you will take any other goal, and just write it down and plan how you will go about it. Okay, and I'll show you will make headway. Right, and nke atọ, #3 reason why you have not gotten where you want to get in your Igbo speaking. Okay, that would be doing it alone. Okay, so trying to do everything all by yourself. Okay, so you are, it's like people say sometimes they are self-made, they are self-taught. I don't really believe in it. I believe whatever you've achieved, there's always somebody behind the scenes that has helped you achieve that. Even if the only thing the person is doing is taking care of your other stuff while you are targeting that one stuff. Okay, so you need help to speak Igbo. Okay, whether it's your family, whether it's your friend, whether it's a tutor, you need to practice what you're learning. Okay, you have to get somebody to practice with. And if you do not have somebody, find somebody and teach them the one you know, so you can practice it with them. Okay, teach them the little you know, then you can practice with them. Even if they don't intend to speak it, just be bouncing it off them and speaking it to them. Okay, and of course, I would say if you really want to nail the support, get yourself a coach, get yourself an Igbo language coach, which is what I do with my clients. Okay, I have a select group of people who I teach, and these are people who are ready to take action, people who are ready, who show up on live sessions, on live calls with me, people who do assignments, okay, who speak and practice their speaking. They are not ashamed to speak, because when you're learning, you make mistakes. They are not ashamed to make mistakes. You have to make mistakes to learn. Okay, so these are people that have decided, they have made up their minds, and they are ready to invest in themselves to learn this Igbo language. Okay, and if you'd like to find out more about that, click the link below this video. Okay, so there you have it. How ihe reason atọ mere na isubeghị Igbo otu isi wee chọọ. Okay, ihe ndị kpatara na isubeghị Igbo otu isi chọọ. 3 reasons. I'll just give you a summary again. Number 1, procrastination. Ngeme. I will. Okay, number 1, procrastination. Number 2 was no planning. Biko, yeah, bambo, plan, yeah. There. Okay, and number 3, doing it alone. Okay, we are social human beings. We need each other, right? So do not do it alone. Get help. Ask for help. There's lots of people ready to help. Okay, and I'm ready to help as well. And like I said, if you want to know more, click the link below. Okay, Ngwan, Cody.